So, six car insurance steps for new drivers. A driver license can open up a new world of freedom. Unfortunately, it also comes with a numerous cost. You have probably already thought about the gasoline factor, but another major expense is the cost of auto insurance. This is something that everyone need to think about when they own or regularly drive a vehicle. But the news is that car insurance for new driver is even more expensive. You are more likely to get cheap car insurance once you have been behind the wheel for a while. This makes sense from the insurance company's perspective. Young drivers haven't had as many opportunities to prove themselves. Statistically speaking, they have also more likely to be in auto accidents. Even someone who get their license for the first time as an adult can expect to pay higher prices than they would if they would been driving for years. Does that mean you or your teen driver won't be able to take advantage of the newfound freedom? Not necessarily. This guide will provide tips on saving on car insurance when there's a new driver on the policy. So, six car insurance tips for new drivers. The following factor can affect your car insurance rates, which includes your age, gender, where you live, marital status, credit score, type of vehicle, vehicle mileage, driving history, and type of coverage. We will explore most of these points in greater detail later on. For now, understand the driver's lack of experience will result in higher rates than you can expect to pay later on. That's why we have compiled this guide. So feel free to go with the first company to provide you with a quote for insurance coverage. While it might seem like a time saver, this tactic can cost you money in long run. Visit the company website and request as many free quotes as you can. It doesn't take much time, and you can request the cost anonymously so that you won't be hounded afterward. Most of the major companies encourage this practice, but you might be able to get quote from some lesser known insurance as well. Once you have gathered all the information, study the quotes to determine which company will offer you the best deal. So check out the smaller companies as well. So businesses like Geeko and Liberty Mutual get most of the press, but you might be able to save money by choosing a smaller insurance company. As the new driver, you might even get a special rate through you can expect it higher than experienced driver would pay. Be forewarned that you may only be able to get basic coverage at the discounted rate. However, depending on your circumstances, this could be all of you could afford anyway, and even basic insurance is better than no coverage at all. So sign up if you still need to take driver's education or training class. This is one of the best car insurance tips for new drivers since inexperienced motorists are only sometimes familiar with the rules of the road. By taking a few classes, you will demonstrate that you have driving experience already. As a bonus, it will help keep you and your fellow road users safer as a result. Even experienced drivers can benefit from these road safety classes involve practical and financial terms. Auto insurance companies like to see that you are being proactive about safety and you are less likely to get into an accident. If you know what are you doing, in turn they will reward a self-driving record with a lower car insurance. Get on your parents' auto coverage. Depending on your age and circumstances, one of the top car insurance tips for new drivers is to get on your parents' insurance, which can save you money. If you are still living with them and you are under a certain age or currently attending college, you should be able to get coverage under their policy. Some insurance companies offer good student discounts. Be sure to ask when you are gathering information. You should be able to get on your parents' plan. If you are driving a vehicle, you are paying for yourself. If you are driving a vehicles, then your parents have provided. Chances are that they have already made arrangement for your coverage. Either way, the vehicle might have to be registered under one of the parents' name beforehand. So keep that in mind. So drive a safe vehicle. It's a common hurdle for new drivers, especially teenagers. Uh, uh, when you are excited, when you are when you are excited to get out of the road but can't afford a nice car. Most people drive beaters, older models, vehicles that are less in prime condition for the first year or two. This is particularly true if you are still in high school or a college struggling to make end meets. The catch-22 is the insurance company will offer a greater discount if you have a late model vehicle that equipped with the latest safety features. The type of car you buy can affect your rates as well. For example, four-door sedan are viewed as a sedate option that fetch a lower rate, while two-door sports cars that are built for the speed cost a great deal to insure. One final note: be sure that you have the resources to service whichever vehicle you end up with. For example, if you own a Tesla, try to find a Tesla certified body shop near you. Wait a year or two. If you still need to get your license, consider waiting a while before applying for the road test. Even if you have a driver's education or other road safety course under your belt, you don't have to get your license right away. The older a driver is, the lower the insurance rate will be. There is another more practical benefit to waiting. You will be more mature by the time you finally get your license. You can still practice as long as you have your permit. It's a good idea to get plenty of driving experience before applying for your license. Bottom line, whether you are the new driver yourself or looking to add a teenager to your policy, these car insurance tips for new drivers can help you save money. Check out D1 Auto Body when you are seeking automotive care. They service and repair all makes and models, and their location makes them easy to access since they are Tesla certified. You can rest assured that they will use top of the line equipment to use your vehicle at affordable prices.